2, 1. Okay, what we're doing, this roof section that we've got has to be more blue. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the airbrush. We're going to use some Craft Smart navy blue. So I've got a tiny bit of distilled water and baby shampoo. Then I've got 3 drops of the navy blue. And we're on roughly about 20 pounds PSI on this. And this is this is our go-to airbrush. And we got a big compressor. The only way we can use this is because of the braided hose, because we have a big air compressor. Okay, so first, to mix it, I'm going to put my finger over this nice and tight. I'm going to press down on the air, and I'm going to pull back on the lever, and it's going to bubble. Okay, that mixes it. Now it's mixed. Now we're going to test on the paper towel. Did we get it? Pull back on the air. We got it. Okay, so now what we want to do, we don't want to ruin the special effect, but we got to make it more blue. So here we go. We're going to. We don't got a lot in here before we do refills. Let's go ahead and put some blue on. I'm going to go up this one side. We have to follow the striations, which on this side go that way, on this side go that way, in the middle they go that way. So we're going to go up this one side. And when I turn this around, it's going to look different because of the has striations. Now go down here. Into this. Find the skylight. Yeah, we are airbrushing craft paint. Did you know you can do that? Yes, you can. It's been years since we did it. We can do it. Okay. That's looking really good. That actually looks really good. I'm really surprised that our blue has not wrecked what we already spent a lot of time doing. Remember, we're only using 3 drops of paint on this. Now we're going to have to refill again to do this center section. But right now, let's go ahead and let's get in on this here. Let's take a look at it, folks. Let's get down here. Alright. So now, okay, so the camera can see things we can't see. It looks real blue right here in the camera, but when I look at it standing up, it's not as blue as I thought. However, it's more blue than it was. So now we're gonna mix up again. We're gonna do that, and then we'll show that again later. Once we got this thing all done, we'll show it again later when we do we'll do a checkup before we do any more reveals. But it's looking pretty good, and it's not wrecking our effect. So let's turn around and find out if it did anything to our special effect. If I zoom in, still looks like our special effect. Those striations are hard to work with, but it's going to look really cool. It looks really good. Okay, that's our progress check.